here.
This house?
Yeah. Well, they were cut off for non-payment on October the 5th. The meter was laying on the ground there. I got the number off it. Where they put jigsaw blades.
Alright, just start my mom up.
I got to. Listen, and it's nothing personal, I promise you, ma'am.
January 24, 2023 utility theft arrest and meter bypass investigation, Sheriff's Office jurisdiction. Rural County, United States.
Hey, brother.
How we doing?
Good, how are you?
I am good.
What you got?
Stealing some power here.
This house?
Yeah. They left all ago though.
How long have they been stealing the power?
Well, they were cut off for non-payment on October the 5th.
How, is it the box? They got magnets on it or something?
No, they got jigsaw blades in there.
Yeah, that's gonna cause a fire.
Yeah, don't stick finger in there because it's too hot.
You said it's still hot?
Oh, yeah. Just throw the meter.
They stuck them.
Well, they took the meter out. The meter was laying on the ground there. I got the number off of it. Where they put jigsaw blades. Bypassing them.
Somebody's still in there.
Somebody's in there.
Yeah. Who's inside?
She left in the car while ago, and I thought he was in there with her.
Alright, let's see if I can't knock. Well, here's somebody. Hey, brother.
Hang on.
You doing alright?
Yeah.
Hey, what's going on with the power situation?
I have no idea.
Okay, who are you?
I'm standing here with my mom.
Okay, is that her on the phone?
Yeah, my wife is on the phone. Babe, put mom on the phone. You want it on speaker?
Yes, please. What's
on speaker.
Hey, what's
No.
her name?
Tina.
Miss Tina?
Yes, sir.
Where are you at right now?
Walmart in Baxley.
Alright, if you would, go ahead and make your way out here to your house so I can talk to you, please.
Yes, sir. I'm on my way.
Alright, thank you. Can you give them a call back and see about where they're at?
Alright, I just talked to my mom a little bit ago and she said they're still at Walmart because they're waiting on my uncle to send some money.
Okay, can you call her real quick? I'll just meet her at Walmart and talk to her. Because if I can't come talk to her, and be honest with you, if I can't talk to her, warrants will have to be cut. That's why I need to talk to her about the situation. Okay?
Warrants?
Yes, sir. Theft of services.
Ready.
Hey.
Hello.
That's my
Hey.
wife.
Where, that's your wife?
Yeah.
Where's Miss Tina?
Miss Tina's right here beside me.
Okay, can I talk to Miss Tina?
Yeah, hold on. Hello.
Hey, Miss Tina. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Hey, this is Deputy Cravey with the Alpha County Sheriff's Office again. Are you still at Walmart?
Excuse me?
Are you still at Walmart?
I'm getting gas right now.
Okay, where are you getting gas?
I'm in front of Walmart. Murphy's.
Okay. If you want to meet me, if you want to hang tight right there at Murphy's and meet me, I'd like to have a conversation with you, because if I can't get a hold of you, then I may have to cut warrants for theft of services.
Okay.
So can you
I'll wait for you.
can you stay right there where you're at so I can come talk to you, figure this out?
Yes, sir, I can.
All right. Miss Tina?
Yes, sir.
Hey, let me speak to you. So what can you tell me about the situation with the lights?
I got a bill. Oh no, that's over there. I was really frantic that my lights got turned off, and I got a bill that said that it was paid, or I thought it was paid.
Okay.
And the lights got turned off, and I got a bill that looked like they took my deposit as part of the bill, or as a bill, so I just assumed that it was paid.
Okay.
And then a few days later, the lights were on, so I didn't think nothing of it.
Okay. Do you know who? Because listen to me, hear me out, and I want you to listen to me carefully, okay?
Okay.
And honesty is where I need you to be right now. If you can't tell me who did it, your name's on them lights, and that is considered theft by services. So I need to know the truth and nothing but the truth. If your son did it, or if your grandson did it, or if your daughter-in-law did it, I need to know if you did it. Because, like I said, it's theft by services.
What's that mean?
Okay, that means you'll go to jail on theft by services charge. Means that you stole from a service company with the intent not to pay. Okay?
No, but I'm not doing it.
Okay, who did it?
I don't know who did it.
Okay.
I honestly do not know.
All right. Well, there's a jigsaw. Is that a jigsaw? There's a jigsaw blade and a Pioneer Woman cooking knife. Broke off blade stuck into where the meter box goes, and the meter box is on the ground, and the meter box is damaged, so there's also damage to property. So I need to know answers, because from what REA had explained to us is that the power's been going since October, since it got cut off. It came back on back in October because of the 2 blades that are inside of the meter box. So I need answers. So can you be honest with me? And it's not, and don't consider it. I know you're probably thinking, oh, I don't want to tell on whoever it was, or if it was you, you don't want to tell on yourself. But honesty is going to get you a long way in life, and it'll get you further with us. So I need honest. Who did it? Did you do it?
No, I didn't do it.
Okay, was it your son?
No.
Who was it?
I spoke with a neighbor, and the next thing I knew, the power was on.
Okay. Alright. Well, listen to me. You spoke with the neighbor about it, and the neighbor helped you out.
I assume so.
You assume so, or you know so?
I don't know.
Okay.
I honestly don't know.
Alright, hang tight for me right here, okay?
Who normally pays for the bills?
I do.
You do? When was the last time you paid the bill? Light bill?
3 months ago.
3 months ago?
I do. I don't know
And
how long.
it never occurred to you that, hey, this month's bill never showed up, or?
No, I'm pretty dumb like that.
I-
I don't.
yeah.
No, I'm old. I'm getting more. But I honestly don't know the person that did it. I don't know who it was.
And
I don't know anybody here.
Listen to me.
Okay.
Let me talk. Here's the thing. You make enough money to pay your lights. You haven't paid a bill in how long did you say? Couple months. You haven't paid a bill in 2 or 3 months. You know you haven't paid a bill in 2 or 3 months. You spoke with somebody about having your box done, and then it was done. So here's the deal.
They didn't tell me anything what they were going to do.
Well, you knew it because it's been 3 months. There's no, oh, I didn't know. So here's the deal. You're going to be arrested today for theft by services and damage to property, okay? Okay?
No.
Yes, ma'am, you are. You got this. Here's the deal. You've known it was like this for 3 months. You knew it wasn't right. You still did it. And like you said,
I was trying to get the money up to go pay it.
well, you just said that you have the money to pay the bills, you just don't.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that.
Okay.
I'm saying sometimes I don't know if I paid a bill or not.
Okay. Either way, it's still theft by services, and it's also damage to property for the box being damaged, or the meter being damaged, okay?
I didn't do it.
Is she able to drive your vehicle home?
No.
She don't have a license?
No.
Okay.
Nobody does. I'm the only one that has a license.
I got you. Okay, she's gonna have to call somebody to come pick her up, and we'll have to tow the vehicle.
I'm getting arrested. Because
Who did it?
Did she get arrested?
Who did it? Here's the thing. I don't answer questions. I ask the questions. Who did it? If you know who did it, step out the vehicle and let's talk. Step out the
she's
vehicle.
got a broke leg.
Okay. Well, who did it, ma'am? Did you do it?
No, I didn't.
Who did it?
Nobody in the house did it.
No one in the house did it.
Who was it?
The neighbor.
Okay. Why did the neighbor do it?
Because he felt sorry for her.
So he was asked to do. Here's the thing. I understand he felt sorry for her. She asked him to do something. He did it. We can't prove that he didn't do it, right? You understand that, right? We can't prove that he did it. But what we can prove is that it's been done, and her name is on the light bill and has not been paid in 2 or 3 months. That's what we can prove.
So you still need to arrest her?
Yes, ma'am. She's going to be arrested for theft by services and damage to property. Miss Tina, look, there's no reason to cry.
Yes, there is.
You knew the lights were not done, ma'am. Okay? Let me ask you a question. Do you have a phone?
Yes.
Do you have cigarettes?
I don't smoke.
Okay. Does anybody else in the house smoke?
Yes.
Okay. Who all has a phone?
Me and my daughter.
Okay. Do you have money to put in gas?
Sometimes.
Do you have money to do stuff that you want to do?
No. No. You just seen that I did, but.
Okay. So here's the thing. You had money to pay your lights. So, if you want to call somebody to come pick you up, you're going to need to call somebody. If you want to go ahead and do that right now.
No, don't do this.
I got to. Listen, and it's nothing personal, I promise you, ma'am. Here's the issue. The issue is it's against the law. I'm a law enforcement officer, and I have to enforce the law, okay? Go ahead, have a seat. 21 happened. It'll be 10.
Charges filed. Theft of services and criminal damage to property subject bypassed the electric meter after service was disconnected for non-payment on October 5. 2022. Unauthorized power restored via jigsaw blades in meter socket. Fourth Amendment analysis. The bypass was discovered on a utility easement outside the home curtilage. A third-party utility complaint. Authorized officer response without a search warrant. Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 436, 1,966. Miranda warnings apply only upon custodial interrogation. Subject arrived voluntarily and remained free to leave throughout. Not triggered. Berkemer v. McCarty, 468 U.S. 420, 1,984. Voluntary roadside encounters are classified as non-custodial by nature. All statements made during the pre-arrest field interview were legally admissible. Theft of services. 3 required elements first. A service must be obtained without authorization or payment. Second, the subject must have knowledge of the unauthorized nature. Third, there must be intent to avoid payment. All 3 were established on record. Establishment of knowledge element. Subject admitted. She sought help from a neighbor regarding the power situation, and that electricity was subsequently restored without authorized reconnection. This statement directly and fatally eliminated any claim of ignorance. Account holder liability doctrine. The individual named on a utility account who knowingly benefits from unauthorized service bears full criminal liability regardless of who physically installed the bypass device. Illinois v. Gates, 462 U.S. 213, 1,983. Probable cause is assessed under the totality of circumstances standard. No single piece of evidence must be individually conclusive. All evidence is evaluated collectively to determine legal sufficiency. Beck v. Ohio, 379 U.S. 89, 1,964. A lawful requires probable cause, reasonable belief that a crime occurred, and that this specific individual committed it. Utility report, physical evidence, non-payment, and subject admission satisfied this standard. Fifth Amendment, right against self-incrimination. This protection is not reserved for the guilty. Voluntary statements made without counsel can establish every element of an offense the prosecution must prove before any arrest is made. Probable cause. Final legal assessment elements established on record. Utility company complaint. Physical bypass evidence. 3 months of documented non-payment and subject admission of seeking unauthorized restoration. Arrest held lawful under the 4th and 14th Amendments. Key legal lesson, the right to remain silent, applies at the pre-arrest stage. Not only after Miranda, once probable cause is built through voluntary disclosure without legal counsel, the threshold for a lawful custodial arrest is met and cannot be reversed by subsequent silence. Invoke counsel early. Cooperation without counsel is not a legal shield.